Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to winterize a boat. In this video, I'll provide you with 8 steps that you can follow to protect your boat during the winter, so that it's ready and running come spring. So keep watching to find out how. Replace engine oil. When winter comes knocking, ensure that you replace the old oil in your boat's engines with a clean and fresh supply, as recommended by your engine's manufacturer. Just warm up the engine and eliminate the oil that you've been using. The old oil contains moisture and acid that may corrode the engine parts while your boat is in storage. Drain water from the engine. When winterizing your boat, ensure that you get rid of any water in the engine. Frozen water expands and can cause damage to the engine parts of your boat. Since there are different engine models, consult the manual for your engine's manufacturer when carrying out this process. Stabilize fuel. Once you've drained the old oil from the engine and replaced it with clean and fresh supply, add a fuel stabilizer. Run the engine for 10 to 20 minutes to distribute the stabilized oil. This will keep the engine from accumulating gum and varnish, which can cause reduced engine life and poor performance. Fog the internal engine parts. This involves spraying the internal engine parts with a protective coating of fogging oil to protect them from exposure to harsh winter elements that can cause corrosion. Replace gear oil. Winterizing your boat also requires you to replace the old oil in your gear with fresh supply. This will keep the transmission free from moisture and corrosion while your boat is in storage. Lubricate the grease fittings. To protect the grease fittings on your boat from rust, oxidation, and corrosion during the winter, coat them with a high-quality marine lubricant. Consult your manufacturer's manual to ensure you've greased all the crucial areas. Clean and wax the boat. Before storing away your boat in preparation for winter, you need to get rid of any dirt or stains that might be on the floor, seats, or trim. Wash the hull of your boat clean of any barnacles or other marine life that might be attached to it. Then coat your boat with a layer of wax. Cover and store your boat. The final step in winterizing your boat involves covering it with a durable boat cover and storing it in an area free of moisture. If you're storing in a boatyard, remember to remove all the valuables that you've been keeping inside. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your boat safe and free from rust and corrosion during winter. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. Until next time.